Hello and welcome to another Quattro Tech Cars video. Today we have this 2015 Audi A3 Sportback. As you can see, it looks absolutely fantastic in that classic Audi Daytona grey. This is the S-Line model, so it comes really well specified as standard. It's powered by the 1.4 TFSI cylinder-on-demand petrol engine. So this puts out 150 PS and is driven by the Tronic automatic gearbox. It's had just one previous owner from new. We've just had all four wheels professionally refurbished in anthracite grey. So the car looks really fantastic. It's got great service history as well. Let's have a look at more of the spec inside. Okay, so here we are round at the boot of the A3. As you can see, a really clean, practically sized load area in very good condition. The boot floor has two heights, this being the highest, which is fairly flush with the entry and exit. And as you can see there are no large marks or scratches or anything like that, or big chips. It's been well looked after. Underneath here we've also got a space saver spare wheel, and the jack and the toolkit is kept just in this side pocket here. The S-Lines themselves come with acoustic rear parking sensors as standard, which this one has, and that's integrated into the rear bumper just there. Now coming around to the interior, this is one of the main things about this car, is the fact it's got a full leather upholstery in very nice condition indeed. It's got that contrast stitching there. There are no rips, tears, stains or any odours. The backs of the seats are all nice and clean as well. We've got a 12-volt power socket for charging ancillaries. And as we come around to the front, if we look above the car, we can see we've got that fantastic sliding panoramic sunroof just there. A really rare option on the A3s. So with the leather, the sunroof, and then the other few options that we're going to go through now, it's a really rare car. Coming round to the front door, we've got folding mirrors, which are an optional extra, so it's a very useful bit of specification. Again, the full leather seats for the driver and passenger in the front with a leather armrest as well. You've got the S-Line embossing on there. Flat bottom, perforated leather multifunctional steering wheel. And if we come in to the driver's seat, we've got automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights. So the headlights will be xenon, and then you can also adjust the brightness of the binnacles. We've got the multifunctional controls just here. So you've got media, volume or mute. That's a programmable button that can do a number of different things. We've also got the various trip controls on this side as well for the coloured driver information system just there in between the dials. The up and down shift levers for the Tronic automatic gearbox, and then we've also got the cruise control just there. So this A3 has the comfort pack, which gives you the automatic lights. You've got the auto dimming rear view mirror as well. You get the cruise control in that and a few other bits there, so a really useful bit of specification. Coming over to the main screen, we've also got a technology pack, so you've got a higher definition resolution screen, which is also faster and has the navigation built into the hard drive, so it all works a bit quicker. We've got Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone wirelessly to make and receive calls. We've also got a number of different media sources, including Bluetooth again, so you can listen to your favourite music wirelessly. We've also got CD and SD slots in the glove box, an Audi media interface slot in the centre console, and a couple of others just there. The radio is DAB, FM and AM, so you can listen to your favourite stations at the highest possible quality as well. The menu itself is really easy to navigate. That's all done with the multimedia interface just down here. Having the technology pack also means that the middle of the rotational dial is also a touchpad. So if we go into the navigation on the map, when you go into destination, you can actually put into the address a postcode or a city or something like that, just writing it in with the touchpad just there. So it's really good, especially if you're on the go. The rear parking sensors are acoustic, so there's no visual that comes up on the display here, but you can hear them directionally behind you. If we move a bit further down, we've got the start stop, the hazard lights, traction control. This button here will open and close the main screen because you can access quite a lot of information from the trip computer as well, in terms of radio stations and media and things like that. And then we have the drive select button just here. So if we go into car, you can see the various different drive select modes. So we've got efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. This will change things including the weight and feel of the steering, the throttle response, and way the car changes gears as well. So the S-Tronic gearbox has a manual mode and also a sport mode as well as a standard drive mode. So this will change a combination of those things to make the car fit into one of those categories. Going back down here, we've got the dual zone climate control with these nice aluminium dials just here. Audi accessory is basically what we call storage bin. We've got a 12-volt power socket there as well. A volume dial and track selector and an electromechanical parking brake. So as you can see, the A3 has been really well looked after. It's also had a number of services by Audi. We've just carried out its most recent service as well prior to sale. All Quattrotech cars come with 6-month warranty, including 6 months roadside assistance, an MOT upon arrival, and a comprehensive mechanical check. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with us so we can explain how we're currently facilitating safe and socially distanced test drives and appointments. Thank you very much.